Hi everybody, this is Lauren of Plan Mosh Plan. Welcome back to another plan with me. This week I am using a beautiful foiled kit from Nikki Plus 3. It's a Valentine's Day kit that I picked up. I think it's Valentine's 2.0 or Valentine 2.0. I picked it up during her Black Friday sale. I'm showing you kind of all that extra stuff that came with it. And I'm using it to memory plan Valentine's Valentine's Day week in my 2019 Erin Condren. So if all goes according to plan, this is uploading on Valentine's Day 2020. But I actually have a ton of spreads from last year in my 2019 Erin Condren that are unplanned, or I didn't plan it. But I do have all of my, everything written down in my actual everyday planner that I use, which is, my plum paper planner. So I do want to fill out the entire 2019 Erin Condren because I just like having totally full planners. And I got married in 2019. There was a lot of really fun memories, and I want to have all of those memories in my planner, but I was also very, very, very busy this year, so I didn't always have a chance to fill everything out. And a lot of it was if I actually planned the week before this, I also just planned it, a couple weeks ago or whatever, which I was gone for the weekend the week before this. And that tends to be what throws me off. I take a lot of weekend trips. Steven and I go on a lot of California. There's so many places that you can just kind of go away for the weekend, and we do that often. But it does, when I do most of my planning on the weekend as my relaxing hobby, it does kind of I don't always have time to get caught up on the weekdays. So anyways, I am doing this whole I'm going to test the waters and see how it goes. I know it's a year ago, the spread, but if you're like me, maybe you are, maybe you aren't, but for planners that I really like to watch, I don't really care what they're planning. It doesn't matter if it's what week it is. I do like to watch kind of timely spreads, but I don't really care if I don't know their life. I don't know if this week happened, whatever they're talking about happened this week or a year ago. I have no idea. So hopefully you feel the same way. I do kind of want to, and I'll probably ask this on my Instagram too, do a poll there. So you can answer here, in the comments if you'd like, or on my Instagram, either way. But my idea of what I want to do to kind of get caught up with my 2019 planner is I want to prioritize obviously doing memory spreads in my 2020 planner. But when I have time and when I'm caught up, I was caught up when I did this, when I filmed this. I want to maybe upload, I don't know how to describe what I'm thinking, but instead of just uploading one spread at a time, if I missed, I think there's certain months July or August. Well, let me flip through this planner. I think there's months August where, it looks like I planned a lot of July. Sorry, I'm flipping through my planner. Yeah, August. I didn't film a single spread in August, at all. So I did kind of back plan one of them, and I didn't film it. It actually was also a Nikki Plus 3 kit, funnily enough. But my idea is since I think it's probably best for my channel, and I think most people are interested in seeing current spreads in the season that you're in and the year that you're in, whatever. So I'll obviously prioritize having those on my channel, but when I have extra time or the ability to, I feel I will try and upload all 4 spreads or 2 spreads or something at a time from August in the same video. So that way, if you're one of those people that just enjoy my plan with me's and you don't care what I'm planning, you just like watching, then you can kind of have those longer format videos. And then if you're somebody who isn't attached to my planner videos at all, or just really is clicked on my video to see a Valentine's Day spread because it's Valentine's Day, you don't know who I am, you don't care who I am, then maybe there'll kind of be a good balance of those two things. So let me know your thoughts if you like that idea. If you don't, I think for me, I think it's a good option. I can kind of do my Thanksgiving spread and my Halloween spread at the same time, or my honeymoon spreads at the same time, or my like fall spreads, October spreads at the same time, stuff like that. The weeks that I missed, I'll just try and kind of group them. So it'll be longer videos, but they'll still be the like memory planner, rewind, fast forward. When I say rewind, I just mean that synonymously with memory plan, not like I'm going to rewind the video. So just like the fast forward memory plan voiceover style video, just with maybe a couple spreads in one video. If my computer will let me do that, by the way. I have no idea. I have like a MacBook Air with absolutely no storage, so that may not even be possible, but that's what my plan is. So all right, cool. So I am into the day by day for this week. I will kind of do my best to talk about the stickers that I'm laying down if they aren't from the kit, although a lot of them are. But I don't, because this was so long ago, I don't have a super great memory of like what exactly happened this week. So I think I'm going to try and answer some questions from my Instagram, in addition to also talking about the stickers and what I did this week, kind of like how I did in my last plan with me. I think my last plan with me may be the one before that. So quickly, everything that I've laid down so far on Monday is from the kit, and everything that I used, I think, in the sidebar and like in the spread is from the kit. The only thing is I did use some Simply Gilded washi in the sidebar. So Monday, I had 4 meetings this day, looks like. I marked Amazon Go, and I think that if I'm thinking back, I think there's now like 2 Amazon Go stores near my office, and I think this probably was the first time that I ever went to one, which if you've never been to an Amazon Go store, they're not that exciting. I don't know why I was excited, but it's just you have the app on your phone and you like scan it when you walk in, and then when you walk out, it's like through a scanner and you don't have to pay for anything. It just automatically charges you. So that's really the whole gimmick of the whole thing. Like, it's just food where I am. So, and it's honestly overpriced, like kind of crappy, not that good food, but you can just walk in and walk out without there being like a cashier or you having to do any sort of checkout. It just kind of like, you just scan your phone and it knows what you got, which is kind of cool. Because you're like, how does it know? I don't know. But anyways, okay. So I think that's what I did on Monday. My boss was like super into it at the time. And then Steven, I think I went with Steven and we just like checked it out. Yes, actually. And now I can see I had lunch with Steven at that restaurant. I put down in the half box there. And I know that the Amazon Go store is right there across from it. So that's probably what we did. I also marked getting addresses. I think that I was doing my save the dates for my wedding at this time. So I was like working really hard to input people's addresses into like a spreadsheet, which is just time consuming and annoying, and trying to text everybody. It's a whole friggin' thing, you know? I also marked meal prepping with a sticker from Hello Petite Paper, a little spatula, and I marked going to the gym. Back when I was good about going to the gym. Maybe, I don't know, with the quarter box and a bow from the kit. I marked on Tuesday that some of my coworkers are in town. Honestly, I don't like how I marked that. I wish I might pull that up. It's a bow, but it's super like off-centered, but not in a cute way in that flag. Again, all of this is from the kit. It was my friend's birthday, so I marked that with a quarter box from the kit, and then I am taking, this is actually really cute. I've been loving these snowflakes from Honey Inked. I'm trying to say that all credit for how I'm using these goes to Rachel from Gathered Plans. I saw her using them and I thought they were adorable. And I'm honestly like scared of it turning into spring because then I won't be able to use the snowflakes anymore, and I think they're so cute. But I just used it to mark that I went to a bar method class, which is, just like a bar class this evening. And then I had 2 meetings this day, and I marked it with a scallop and a laptop girl from Panda Bird Design. And then I am putting a bow down from the Giving Girl, which I've been liking her bows lately, and I hope that she restocks those because if you've been around for my last, couple months or so, I've been really missing my clear overlay bows that are like cut out around the bow, not just like cut out in a circle, from Tasseled Planner. And those have been a pretty good replacement. I marked a rainstorm this day by cutting down a label from the kit, and then the clouds, unfortunately, are from a shop that's no longer open, but a lot of shops have clouds like that, I think. And I layered another one of those bows over top, and then just put down the half box, whatever. I marked going to Starbucks with a Hello Petite paper. Losing my words here. Honestly, I just got back from work. It's Thursday night, and I went and had happy hour with one of my coworkers because she was in town. She's in town, so we went and grabbed a drink after work. And I only had one glass of wine, but I haven't eaten in a while, and I'm like, dang it, how old am I that one glass of wine is making me trip over my words a little bit. Anyways, okay, don't mind me. Okay, so I was so off track. The quarter box that I put down is from the kit. I really like how I think this is an update to her kits recently, that she has these kind of different sized, different foils, like, or differently foiled quarter boxes-ish sized boxes in the kit. I really enjoy that. I marked painting my nails with a sticker from, her shop used to be called Planning and Mint. Sharon, I'm sorry, I can't remember what it's called now. I'm blaming the wine. And then I marked doing a voiceover with a bowstring box from the Giving Girl, and the little headphones are from Paper Blush Bar. And then I marked buying a Valentine's Day gift. I need to do that tomorrow. I need to write that in my planner. For Steven, with a present from Papershire. And then the that little sparkle is from Tasseled Planner, who is no longer open. All right. Oh gosh, I'm forgetting the name of this shop. Oh dang it. I marked Valentine's Day with a beautiful script from, oh my gosh, I feel so bad. I really like her scripts, and I can't think of the name of it's The Wine. It's totally The Wine. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Ignore me. I just layered this beautiful script. I will try and put it on the screen if I remember, over some deco from the kit to mark that it was Valentine's Day. Steven went to LA I can't remember why, but this day I don't know why, but I just marked it with some stickers from the kit. I had 5 meetings this day, which is kind of crazy. Marked it the same way that I marked it earlier this week with Panda Bird Design stuff. I marked getting my friend flowers because I couldn't go to her bachelorette party that was this weekend. And I just used some flowers from the kit and a bow, again from the Giving Girl. And then I went out to dinner. Wait, NSOT? Yeah. Oh, yes, I remember. I went out to dinner with my team members, my coworkers who were visiting, and some people in our department it was very nice, actually. We did a happy hour first at this restaurant, and then we had a whole nice dinner. So that was really fun. I marked it with a quarter box and a silverware sticker from Paper Blush Bar. That was a fancy dinner. That was a good one. Okay, on to Friday, the reason my coworkers were in town was because we had our like a team offsite. Every year we do like some sort of kind of offsite celebration, generally after the holidays, but as just kind of like a, ish thank you to our team or whatever. So this year was really cool. We went on, I feel like I've talked about this before. I don't know why if I haven't done a memory plan on this, but we went to the Mission District in San Francisco, which has a ton of really great food. And we did this like tour of the Mission District where we went to 3 or 4 different restaurants that had very like unique stories about, like their chefs had really unique stories, and they had some sort of unique dish or unique kind of fusion food it was just very like a lot of San Francisco culture, a lot of like Mexican culture. It was very cool. I really enjoyed it. So that was really fun. I marked that with a bow and a half box from the kit. We had a couple drinks too, and then we got off work pretty early, and so I went home and marked taking a nap, because that's what happened when you have a couple drinks and then you get home early from work. And the pillow is from Hello Petite paper, and then that's the same bow that I've been using from the Giving Girl. I also marked editing and doing a voiceover with a play button from a Magic Prince Co. And then Steven and I actually got La Mission Takeout, which is like again, kind of a trendy, like, taco truck, Mexican food fusion kind of place, which is funny because I had been eating that all day. I must have been, like, in the mood because of my, like, the thing that I did in the day. So that was really good takeout. Okay, how is Steven back already? That doesn't make sense, but I know he was because I remember doing that with him. I have no idea. Whatever. Maybe Steven was back from LA on Thursday. I really don't remember. Okay, on to Saturday. I marked picking up a car. I don't know what. It's been such a long time. I don't have a memory of what this is. That car is from Tassel Planner, who's no longer open. I marked going shopping with my sister. I don't remember what we were shopping for, but I do remember going to Starbucks with her. We went to one of those, like, Starbucks reserves, I think. So, and that was I want to say, first and only time I've been there. So mark that with a Hello Petite paper cup, and then that squiggle thing is from Rose Colored Days. Again, the snowflake is from Honey Inked. The nail polish for painting my nails is from, what is the name of her new shop? Planning and Mint. What is it? I feel horrible. Anyways, I'll link it below, or at least put it somewhere on the screen. And then I also marked uploading a plan with me this day. I laid down another one of the snowflakes from Honey Inked, and then put down the full box. I marked sleeping in this day with a I am so losing my words. With a sleeping mask from Paper Blush Bar. I marked cleaning my apartment this day, and I marked filming, again, just using some stickers from the kit. And then I also marked that aside from, I think that film script is either from Sticky Sloth Design or Magic Prince Co. I do have a coupon code for Sticky Sloth Designs, as well as some other shops that I've mentioned so far, so you can always find all of those down below in the description. And then I marked just having a lazy day with some Ugg boot deco from Hello Petite paper, and a bow, and some or a half box from the kit. So this is the week. Stay tuned for a second here to the end, where you can kind of see, here we go. You can see how foiled it is. All of Nikki Plus 3's kits are so foiled, and it makes me pull in a bunch of foiled stickers. And then I can't tell you, like, even this shot that I'm doing here is not a great example of how foiled it is. It looks so foiled in person. It is glowing, and I love it. So anyways, thanks so much for watching. Let me know how you feel about these, like, 2019 memory plan with me's in the comments down below. But other than that, that's all I have. Thanks, guys. Bye.